Able to devise a crude transportation mechanism for the newest little spicy kitty so that I think it's a girl, so that she can no longer.
Bruh, she can't
Shadow, get in here. Shadow.
This is hilarious. You having fun, Papa? You having fun?
Made a button so her sheep could play music whenever she wanted.
Alexa, play music.
Bruh, fix that neck. Ronan. Bruh.
This duck loves a fun day out.
Hey, puta se mató.
Nala, you trying not to make eye contact?
Go.
Oh my.
What?
Action to his owner arriving home.
Oh my God. I saw today at work? A big, gray...
Birds are loving the shower.
What did you do? What did you do? You look so proud of yourself, too. What did you do?
Yellow, 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 yellow.
Toby. Toby.
Which end? Good boy! Well done.
Where's Dad? Where is he? Where's Dad? Find him.
Are you done? Oh, no, he's far from done.
Course for their hamster.
It's hard to be cute, but someone's gotta do it.
Come here! Are you Penny, sir?
This dog has a very important job.
We have her so trained.
No. Wilson, no. Wilson, no. Ow. Oh.
Hey. Hi. This is our baby milkshake. Just swinging in a swing.
Not supposed to eat all of it.
Where can I sign up to volunteer and play with this baby?
Gotta feed those babies, Georgia. Good girl.
Nip, nip. Get it, baby.
My daughter really likes to sit in the cabinets because it's a cool hiding spot. So we put a blanket in there. And if you've seen my last couple videos,
Oh. Oh.
Take her banana. Yeah, it's yours.
Nugs, turn on the light. Turn on the light. Here you go.
It got stuck under the chair.
Warte, ich helfe dir. Oh, jetzt hast du.
Treats? Which hand's got the treats on?
Oh, he's going again. Whee!
That is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed. And I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later. Where they're going.
Why is there so many? Oh my god.
He just had the best nap of his life. Or the turtle could escape.
The easiest place to balance, but it's not so aligned.
Got kelp there. No running on the road. You come back when I tell you.
Let's do a test to see if Tilly G hears me. Oh, Tilly G!
Melanie. Okay. Come here, friend.
Enjoying the beautiful day.
Do you ever get the feeling that you're being watched?
Yeah, you want pets? No, you want pets? Oh, you want hat?
She is a little bit more than 10 weeks, I believe. Oh, and she's gonna snuggle up to Michelle.
No, look at her. She's going crazy. Oh. Oh. Stacey, what are you doing?
Hey guys. Nice big tank there.
Huh?
Are you kidding me? Boys.
Not much. What are you doing?
This dog is solar powered.
Did he take your toy? What happened? Oh, did he get your toy? He thinks it's food. He thinks it's a real pineapple.
Ready? Ooh, nice. Oh, that's nice, eh? Yes. And it.
Jay,
Who wants that?
he can't have that.
This video, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Won't risk leaving their automatic feeder.
太远了吧？
He only has 3 paws, so he does a little kick every time he barks.
Oh my god, there's so much wind. Luna, hey, come on, buddy.
What? You're not supposed to stop.
Oh, okay. Yes, you're a good boy. So when I stopped, I remembered to ask him to come.
So I'm trying to wrap presents, and he won't leave my tape alone because he has a weird obsession with plastic. So this is what I do. Oh!
There's Blue, Raya, Remy.
This dog loves helping tidy up.
Nah, give it to me, mana Kira? Bawa sini, masukin. Iya, ambil lagi yang lain. Give it to me. Iya, oke.
Shadow. And then there's
He won't give up on trying to be friends.
A representative of the state.
What are you doing?
Every execution.
What are you doing?
Robert Hurst has seen around.
I think he's had a rough day.
Take a video.
Yeah.
Scoop on me, Mr. Man.
Come on, Smokey! Good boy! Yee-hoo! Whoa! Holy!
Guys. Fan of his reflection.
Trying to wrap presents, and he won't leave my tape alone because he has a weird obsession with plastic. So this is what I do. Oh!
Bebi confusão aí.
Hello. This bird is acting like a security guard. Who would do anything for bacon. Like his owner's choice of curtains.
They're down 2 games. Man, honey. Oh, what are you doing? You can't just leave with my cat.
What are you doing?
Look at this newborn bunny.
Bruh.
Cat wanted to practice his balance on the banister.
Nugget, no!
Jealous of the mouse.
Now again, you give me the nebulousness. Deal?
People, where are you going? Oh, where's the campsite?
My cat's depressed because he wanted cuddles and Brandon left, so he's gonna do this for a while.
Stiamo moda contenti.
Chị thấy gì nữa, nhỏ mấy đây, nhỏ mấy này rồi, chị thấy gì?
Kita je.
Wake up. Wake up.
You have a smooth brain. No ridges or lumps or valleys or bumps. All ideas slide right off, like a water slide. Smooth brain.